Good morning, everyone. So today is Tuesday, and I will be doing a day in the life today. It's 6:10, and the kids are still sleeping. I'm just preparing breakfast. I make these Coach's oats, and I add milk and a little bit of sugar or agave, whichever I have. And then I'm making their lunches. I have grapes and strawberries, and then I'll be cutting cucumbers. So this is like my go-to lunches, and then Hawaiian sandwiches and snacks. So I'll show you how that looks in a little bit. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing now, and I'll check back with you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so the kids are awake now, and I just put some evaporated milk on the oatmeal, and I'm going to top it off with this banana nut granola bar, or not granola bar, but granola made with real bananas and nuts. So, yep, that's for breakfast, and the kids are already eating it. Alright guys, so this is how the lunches look. So this is Sarah's fruits, veggies, and Hawaiian bread. And she wanted some chicken and some cheese. And she gets 2 snacks also. And this is Nathan's. No chicken, just 1 bread and then a brownie. And then fruits and veggies. And Leia's is just bread, brownie, fruits. This Pirate's Booties. And then Nathan has already a Pirate's Booties. So I have these ice packs that I also put in the lunches. So yeah, so that's their lunch, and we are leaving in 5 minutes. Alright guys, so it's 7:15 and I was almost late for my carpool. Oh my gosh. So I guess my phone is 4 minutes ahead. Or no, this is 4 minutes behind. So it was actually, because carpool comes at 6:45, and then I seen my phone and I thought I had like 4 minutes left. So, oh my gosh, so I was just fixing Leia's hair, then all of a sudden my friend texts me, she's like, we're here. I'm like, oh my gosh, we were rushing. But yeah, so now the kids are at school already. I'm just gonna clean up a little bit. I didn't get to put away all these stuff, but yeah, I'll check back with you guys in a bit. Hey guys, so it is, I think, let me see, 10:07 right now. I just finished folding the sheets. I'm still folding the sheets from the kids' beds. They're old sheets. If you guys don't already know, I got new sheets for the kids, and I'll probably show you that right now. But I will be editing some videos, so it should be up before this video. So if you haven't seen those videos yet, go ahead and check those out. We got new sheets for the kids. So I am out of breath because I just came from downstairs. But yeah, so this is how their sheets look. Their previous ones, the Hello Kitty, and then this is actually my sheets. And these, since Nathan's new bedding is gray, this was my like throw pillow, but I'm gonna put this on Nathan's bed right now, and I'll show you. And I'll show you the girls' room, their new beddings. Yeah, and this is the one I got. I love it. It's bright, soft, and I just love the combination of the cream and the white and the darkish brownish color. So yeah, so and then in an hour I'm actually gonna go with my mom somewhere. We're gonna have to order food for my sister's 21st birthday, so I'll take you guys along with me. Alright guys, so this is how Nathan's bedding looks like. I love it. It's gray, and I put in the throw pillow right over there. And I'll show you how the girls. There's me. So this is how the girls' rooms look like. So pretty, and it matches the Ariel poster. Yep. And that's how it looks. Alright guys, so it is 10:51 and we are heading over to town to order at this restaurant, this Hawaiian restaurant, and we're gonna order some food for my sister's 21st birthday. It's gonna be a luau theme, so it's gonna be Hawaiian food. So we're gonna go over there, and I need to run to Target really quick to exchange something or return something. So that's what's going on. It's 10:52 right now, and I don't have to pick up the kids until past 2 o'clock. So we got some time, and I think we're gonna eat lunch over there because I am hungry, and I'm waiting for my mom. We're actually on her driveway. We're waiting for her to come out. So, all right, see you in a bit. All right, my mom's here. Say hi, Mother.
Hi.
Okay, we're gonna go to the restaurant and order Tita's food.
Yeah.
21st birthday. We're gonna eat too because we're hungry. Are you hungry? Did you eat?
Yes, I'm hungry.
Oh, I thought you said you ate.
I ate this morning.
Wow. Where's Dad?
Dad playing golf.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Okay,
Bye.
baby.
Okay, we're eating Hawaiian food, chicken katsu with rice and mac salad. There's Addie and my mom. We're just splitting it. Look how much it is, guys. It's a lot, huh, Mom?
Yeah.
A lot. Is it good, Addie? Alright, guys, we're at Target. I returned some shorts that I bought, and then now I'm gonna get some fruits because we're all out of fruits already, like always. There's my mom and Addie and the babies right over here. Hi. So, alright, that's what we're doing right now. I'm so full. Hey guys, so I am home now. It is 1:48 and 1:48, and I went to Target with my mom, and we got a little bit of groceries. Well, I did. I ran out of fruit, so I just got some strawberries, some kiwi. I'm making Filipino spaghetti tomorrow, and that requires some hot dogs. And I got some more coffee creamer and some carrot sticks for the kids. And then I got these Lunchables. They were $1, and I wanted to just give the kids some treat with more fruits and veggies. And then I got a pineapple. So that's what I got. I spent $19, and I actually returned some shorts. That was $15, so I spent $4 cash for all these. Right, so that's what we're doing now. The kids should be coming home any minute. We have carpool, and I have to get my Nathan and his friends in a little bit. Hey guys, so it is almost 4 o'clock to 3:55, and the baby just got picked up. I actually left Addie at my mom's earlier before all the kids came because she was napping, so my mom just said to leave her over there. But Nathan is with his friend right now down the street at his friend's house. They're doing homework. And then Sarah's at her friend's, and she already finished homework. They're just playing, and she lives probably like 2 minutes away. So it's just me and Leia, and I was supposed to help her clean her playroom right now, but I'm so tired. It's so hot. It's probably 97 outside, so I have the fan going right now. And Eden's working. He won't be home till tomorrow. So I think I'm just gonna relax for 30 minutes and not do anything, and probably just watch TV, veg out on the couch, and then we'll go from there, because I don't know if I'm gonna clean the playroom. So we shall see, but that's what we're doing now. The kids didn't even eat snacks. Nathan was hungry. I think he grabbed a couple snacks to bring to his friend's house, but I'll show you Leia. Leia's on the floor watching YouTube, watching Shopkins. Oh wait, is that Shopkins, Leia? Say hi. Are you gonna clean your playroom? Yeah? I told her she could clean her if she cleans her playroom, she could have a play date. But yeah, woo! She wants to do gymnastics. She's on a wait list, so we shall see. Hopefully by next month she could go. Leia, say hi. Hi. Okay, so I'll see you guys in a bit, guys. Alright guys, so it's around 6:25, and I did take a nap for, I think, 30 minutes. So Leia's watching, and I laid down with her on the couch, and I took a nap. And then after that, she cleaned her playroom because she wanted a play date tomorrow, and I told her she needs to clean her playroom before her friends come over, so they know what they're playing. They could find whatever what they're playing. So yeah, so she cleaned it really quick, and so this is how it looks. And yeah, so okay, sorry, I ran out of memory. So everything's in order again, and so she'll have a play date tomorrow. And I'm late making dinner, so I'm just gonna have some fruit, veggies, and I think the kids want some. What do they want? They want bagel bites. So I'm doing that right now. It's in the oven. And yeah, so I'll check back with you in a bit. Alright, so quick, easy dinner. I didn't have time to like defrost or anything. Oh, actually, I did defrost some flat meat, but Eden's not home tonight, so we're just gonna eat really simple. So I got some carrot sticks and some pizza bagel bites, and then some watermelon. And yeah, so this is what's for dinner, and the kids can pick however much they want pizza bites. So that's it, and I'll see you in a bit. Alright guys, so it is about 9 o'clock, and the kids are down for the night. I prayed for them, and they should be on their way to sleep, and I am tired today. So tired, but I'm gonna edit some videos, so look forward for those. It should already be up when you're watching this, so if you haven't already seen those videos, check those videos out. And that is it. It was a fun filled day. Well, not really fun, but I accomplished a lot of tasks and chores. So yeah, so that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a great evening. Bye.